Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you that how to use the Leonardo AI PhotoReal feature. Let's get started without wasting any time. I will be putting the link for this in my description. You can access this site from there. And let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video. The process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and if you watch it till the end, it will be more easy for you. So first you have to sign up. Now you need credits for this software, and for that you can use temp mail. It produces or generates temporary mails for you that you can use in this for a temporary email, and that will give you free credits. Now you can see that they have sent a verification code on my temp mail. I am going to go to my temp mail, and here I am going to scroll down, and then I am going to click the verification code. Now I am going to copy this verification code, and then I am going to go back to this site and paste it over here, and then I'm going to confirm my account. Now you can see that I will land over here on my Leonardo AI software, and it has started. Now I'm going to name anything you can use. I am going to use the same verification code that I got, and I'll click this one, and I will select any one option because I have to, it's compulsory. Then I'll select next, and then you can choose any option, doesn't matter what, and then you have to select start using Leonardo. Now you can see that I'm going to click next, 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 and next, and done. And then you have to cross this. Now you can see that this is my Leonardo software dashboard. Now you can see here are the credits that are available. I can use these credits to generate my images and use Leonardo. And if you get out of credits, you can always use temp mail and refresh and use a new temporary mail for that. Temp mail is basically a disposable mail. You can delete the old one from here and generate a new one that you can use for more credits. Now right now we can go back to our topic and tell you how you can use PhotoReal option or feature. For that I am going to select the most real one out of these, so I can generate a real photo. Now I am going to select this one for my featured models, that is absolute reality. After I click this, you can see that I can click this option generate with this model. Once I select this, you can see that I land over here where I have to click next, next, next again, and then done. And now you have to type a prompt over here, and you have to select number of images. First I'm going to select one because I want to use less credit so I can show you more features. Now I'm going to type a prompt. I can write New York City or whatever. You can use sunset or anything that you want to generate, and then you can select from here any option. I'm going to select photography so that a real most close to real picture is generated, and then I'll click generate. After this photo is generated, I'll come back. It might take a while, so you must be patient with this step. Now you can see that this image is generated. Now I will click this PhotoReal option and turn it on, and now you can see that this photo is used as PhotoReal option is applied on this. And if I want, I can go to these two options. You can choose it, and you can choose a depth of field, high, medium, or low. This will affect the density or depth of field. If I click save, you can see that now it has changed. And if I click raw mode and I turn it on and click save, you can see the difference in images. This is the easy way that you can use PhotoReal, and I hope you liked this process and understood it very well. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.